Science College taking on Trinity College.
Beating St. Thomas's College as well, but here we go. Here is the first cup semi-finals coming your way. Knock on from Trinity right off the kickoff. Spark for this team in this cup semi-finals. That's exactly not what his team needs. Here's Science now. Offload sticking. Netum Senaratne takes it into contact. And Trinity had to release there. Quickly taken. Lithika Dineth rather. Over the ball, Akila Fernando. Loses the contest. Here's Science College. This might as well be the first score for them. And has he knocked it on there? Is there a twist in the tail here? Science College.
The referees could have had a replay on that, but unfortunately we don't. But let's see what we can have a look at, because Sunil, we will go.
Restart in the second half. Trinity let it bounce very dangerously here. Saven Vijayakon has been brought in, maybe to inject some pace into this Trinity attack. Here's Trinity. Jayasena has his speedster on his outside. Here's Thisara Paris. Stops and goes. He's done this multiple times so far in this tournament. Thisara Paris running away. Has he got this one for Trinity College? And that's a fantastic score. 100 meters on that dash from Thisara Paris. And boy, does he deserve to dive over like that after the performance that he has had right throughout.
Yeah, you see that replay there. Coast to coast did Thisara go from outside his 5 meter line. Stepped 3 defenders and got away from the final 2 would-be tacklers as well to go over. And the dive, I think just he fell on the wrong part of his body, and it seems to have cost him, but the conversion is successful, so it's 7 points all here. Damsar. Here goes the number 9, Lithika, but he's ragdolled to the floor. Ashen trying to make a break, but is unable to do so. Through the hands they go. Massive spot tackle coming in there by Gangul. And the referee is showing a yellow card to Gangul. Trinity College have been under pressure, but they somehow managed to hold on. Science, I think, will be disappointed. They had more of the chances to.
Zofia. It's sudden death time in the cup semi-finals here at the under-16 tennis-side tournament. Science College off the restart. Commit the error. It's going to be a free kick for Trinity College.
Work from inside their own half.
Here's Vijayakon to Akila Fernando.
No.
Good ruck work coming in from the little scrum off there, but Science College are one up on him and win the ball back. Now Trinity under pressure. Science College have runners that can spark something for them, and all they need is one little moment and one little. Akita Punchiheva has already scored multiple tries so far in this game. Here's another kick from Trinity that bounces to no man. Now Science. The number 8 for Science College steps in. Big defensive performance there. Akila Fernando needs to release that ball. Here's Himash. Here's space out wide for Science College to win this one. That's the game, and that's the cup final berth for Science College. They have stunned Trinity here in the cup semi-finals.